Set up your offshore tech team in Bangladesh in your own office space for your developers. We know finding the right tech team can be challenging, with talent shortage and rising cost, long recruitment and onboarding processes. This is why we provide a pre-vetted Bangladeshi talent pool. Our experts are not only skilled, but combined with professional communication and cultural adaptivity. Working with experienced project managers, employee contracting, and admin is done by us in Bangladesh, while you pay wherever you are. Opportunity to start on a 14-day free trial. Your own offshore tech development offices. We call it OSTDO. So how can you get started with your own OSTDO? Define your requirements and add the right candidate to your team. With matching time zones, flexible modalities, hire as you want. Add more resources to your existing in-house team or set up your entire team with us at all-inclusive monthly subscription plans. We work with developers who have completed over 2,000 projects in 30-plus countries serving global brands. Get added value with our 1,000-plus community of expert developers, which allows quick problem solving. Outsourcing with Bandbase lets you hire fast, achieve great quality, and be highly effective. With OSTDO, creating your own quality tech team is now faster and more cost-effective than ever before.